Boxer alongside Jan, you know. I know you want to close my eyes, girl, I see you in my dreams. Then it's just...
Guys, welcome back. We got a treat for y'all today. We got both the girls out today. Well, we're going to Cars and Cigars Part 2. Numero 2. Where my man Corey, the guy with the Porsche and the M3, had hosted this a couple months ago. It did so well that we're doing a Part 2. And for this one, I'm bringing both the cars out, right? So the M3 is coming out, M5 is coming out. My man Brandon's gonna come drive the M5. All right, guys, so back to where I left off. So Brandon's gonna drive that, I'm gonna drive that. We gotta get gas. Now let's head out. See you guys when we get maybe the gas station, maybe on the highway. Peace. All right, ladies and gents, we are here. Pulled up at the gas station. It's just crazy to see both of my girls out together, man. I don't get that opportunity much. And they looking real nice. Yeah. Proud daddy moment right here. Proud daddy moment. Yeah, now we in the M3. Menacing. But we here. Catch you guys when we get back on the highway. Ladies and gents, we out here. We got both my joints. Woo-wee. This don't happen too often. Yeah. You know what? Let's hit a little cinematic on it.
is what you make it. My shit been amazing. I can't see a way out. I've been stacking face down off canvases I painted. I just spent the rain day on shit I can't afford, but that's the price I pay for the memories I'm making. I've been going places. I've been shaking hands for a chance to really make it. This life is so abrasive, so I almost gave it. All this shit I'm laying, it's only the foundation. I've been going crazy, just trying to find a way. I was in the basement, trying to turn the page. I was going through the phase, nobody see my face. I was chasing at the paper, been all it for the waiters. With everything again, ain't nothing left to lose. I've been breaking rules, I've been making moves. With everything to prove, now it's gone.
About this so hard, boy. Well, you know, guys, you know I'm a manual man at heart, man. They made one stick shift, y'all. It might be the move for me. You know I love me my BMW. This joint is hard. Big boy. X6, look at the size of that front bumper. Jeez. That's right. I can't forget my 535 boys and girls. One of y'all. This gem right here. Give it some love.
I just got my oil change. I was like, give me one for the back.
This is what I'm talking about when I say entrepreneurship. Look at this. Look at this. Let me get this.
You said 5G's, nigga? Don't stop acting like you don't even
It's a
get money, man. Make
mobile
it 10, man. What's wrong with
theater.
you, man?
This gem right
We
here
get more money
is
than you, man.
fire.
I got a G for every bump on your face, nigga. Whatever you want. Hey, what you laughing at, man? You need to put your man on. He look bad. Tell him nigga to hit you with an ounce of something or something.
You want a date night?
My Thursday call,
Grab
man.
your
Saturday,
shorty,
I'm bringing out
grab
with
your
something new,
dude.
Saturday, report your prince.
There you go. This joint right here is fire. Look at that. Wood floor.
Man, you might want to holler at me.
This is clean. I love the idea, man. People out there complaining. Look at this, man. This is what you call entrepreneurship. This is ideas. This is stuff you think of. Original. I love it, man. Absolutely love this. Ooh. I got the business card right here. I'm gonna pass this around. I'm gonna show it on my joint. This joint right here. I love the idea, man. Definitely support this. Absolutely. Absolutely. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Got the carpet to the entrance. Jeez. Got the hookah. This is ingenious, man. I love it. I love it. I love it. You know, we gotta show love to the AMGs too. We don't discriminate out here. I love this joint. This black interior, the red stitching. Yeah. You gotta excuse, guys. I gotta keep adjusting because the light out here is mad dark. Got the 430 out here. Clean. Here we go. Nice clean M3. Clean, definitely like it. Jump right into the X5M. Yo, I'm loving these things, man. Fully loaded. Jeez. This is what you call money right here. This is what you call the money family van. Here we have Mrs. Moses Experience. Finally get their attention wherever they go. They don't know how to act sometimes, I swear. This right here is what we call in the paid in full section. That joint was here last time with the airbags. Fire. Putting the old school airbags right there. I like that. One of my guys came out to show me some love right here. Has an E90 M3. Real dope joint, man. And of course, you already know. Can't really see it, but it's a 6-speed, black interior. Earth Nation, here we are. It's dope. Just like that, ladies and gentlemen, we are back home. Babies are back in the garage. Just want to show you something that I actually did. I don't know if you guys know, but usually my tires are always on the floor. I actually bought a nice little rack, stacked them on top. Pretty dope. I'm excited about that. Little stuff. But anyways, we're back in the building, back home. I just wanted to get a video out for you guys because I am going away for my birthday. Family and I are going to be away, and I'm not going to be able to have anything recorded. So just wanted to have something here for you. And guys, make sure follow me on IG, all that good stuff. I'm not going to keep reiterating. You guys know, show some love, drop a like, drop a comment if you feel like it. Till then, be safe. Peace.
Yeah. Pulled up on a op block, hit the opposition with the chopper.